In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line graph with a line for the total sum of other lines in Tableau. This will be a helpful visual tool to better understand trends over time. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau application. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization, and starting with a clear, open interface allows for a smooth workflow. Once you have the application open, access your desired worksheet. This is your workspace where we'll be creating the graph. With your worksheet open, the next step is to drag the order date field to the columns shelf at the top of the screen. This places the date information horizontally across your graph, a key step in visualizing trends over time. After placing the order date field, click on the drop-down menu that appears and select Month. This selection allows you to view the data on a monthly basis, which is often the most insightful for tracking changes in sales. Next, drag the sales field to the row shelf twice. This action sets the stage for displaying two separate lines on your graph, one for individual category sales and another for the total sales. It's crucial to place it twice, as this distinction allows Tableau to create separate visual elements that represent the data. Once the sales fields are in place, it's time to start customizing the graph for clarity and distinction. Go to the Sum Sales To under the Marks field and focus on how these visuals will represent your data. As an important design step, drag the category field to color, which will color code the lines on your graph. This helps in easily identifying each sales category when you look at the graph, providing an immediate visual sense of what category each line represents. Now, let's refine the visual representation by aligning the axes. On the left axis, right-click and select the Dual Axis option. This feature allows you to overlay the two sets of data for direct comparison on a single graph. Following that, head to the right axis, right-click, and choose Synchronize Axis. This ensures both axes scale the data in unison, preserving accuracy in your visual analysis. With these steps completed, your Tableau graph should beautifully convey both individual category sales patterns and the collective sum of all sales. You're now equipped with a powerful tool to analyze how different categories contribute to overall trends over time. Keep practicing these steps to become more proficient in creating insightful data visualizations with Tableau. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful in your data journey.